What if your next adventure felt less like traveling in a van and more like living inside a smart mini luxury home on wheels? What if Toyota took its world-famous reliability and mixed it with modern comfort, clever design, and futuristic tech? Well, that's exactly what the 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper van brings to the road. A compact masterpiece built for explorers, families, and freedom lovers. Welcome back to Car Flair, the channel where innovation meets comfort on every journey. Today, we're diving into Toyota's latest gem, a camper van that turns everyday road trips into unforgettable experiences. Trust me, after seeing this, you'll want to pack your bags immediately. From the outside, the 2026 Toyota camper van looks sleek, modern, and surprisingly stylish. Toyota redesigned the front end with sharp LED signature headlights, a bold grille, and smooth aerodynamic lines that help improve fuel efficiency and keep the ride quiet. The extended roofline gives extra interior space, while the sliding doors make getting in and out effortless. You can choose from beautiful two-tone paint options like pearl white with silver, metallic black with bronze, or a deep midnight blue, each one giving the van a premium travel-ready look. Now step inside, and everything changes. Toyota has created a warm, cozy, and smart living space that feels more like a tiny home than a van. The lounge area features two soft sofas that convert into a dining space or a comfortable bed at night. The materials feel premium: fabric upholstery, soft LED lighting, wood-style flooring, and brushed metal accents. The best part? The driver and passenger seats swivel around, connecting the front cabin to the living zone and creating an open, social atmosphere. Whether you're eating breakfast, planning your next stop, or relaxing after a long day, this space feels welcoming and practical. Toyota kept the kitchen compact but incredibly efficient. You get an induction cooktop, a mini smart refrigerator, a foldable countertop extension, and plenty of hidden storage for food and utensils. The sink uses a smart water-saving filtration system, making it perfect for long adventures. And yes, there's even a tiny microwave, ideal for quick meals on the road. This camper van is also packed with technology. A central touchscreen lets you control lighting, ventilation, battery levels, water tanks, and even check solar panel status. There's wireless phone charging, USB-C ports throughout the van, Bluetooth connectivity, and a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. For digital nomads, this van is a dream come true. The bathroom is small but well-designed. You get a cassette toilet, a folding shower system, ventilation, and waterproof surfaces. Everything is structured to be used comfortably without wasting space. At the back, the sleeping area converts into a double bed with memory foam cushions. You also get storage cabinets, reading lights, and blackout blinds for privacy. It's cozy, relaxing, and perfect after a long day of exploring nature. The driver's cabin stays true to Toyota's reputation for comfort and safety. It comes with a digital gauge cluster, a large infotainment screen, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic braking, and a 360-degree camera system, making driving in cities or mountains a breeze. The steering feels light, the ride is soft, and visibility is excellent. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota camper van uses a hybrid powertrain, combining a smooth petrol engine with electric assistance. This gives you quiet driving, great fuel efficiency, and enough power for climbing hills or long-distance travel. Optional solar panels on the roof help recharge the auxiliary battery, keeping your lights, fridge, fans, and electronics running easily. On the road, the van feels calm, stable, and easy to handle. It's perfect for beginners, families, and anyone wanting a stress-free travel experience. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper van proves that small spaces can feel smart, stylish, and incredibly comfortable. It's not trying to be the biggest camper, it's trying to be the most practical. And Toyota absolutely nailed it. So, would you take this Toyota camper van on your next weekend trip or long road adventure? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love seeing the latest motorhomes and travel machines, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Car Flair, your home for future-forward vehicles.